Number 1. Boldly styled in classic full-size form. This 1970 Chevrolet Impala sedan, 4-door, priced at $8,500 in Palm Bay, Florida, presents a red exterior over a black interior with an automatic transmission. It is fitted with a 350 small block and is noted to run, though an engine sputter is mentioned. Numerous new components are listed, including the carburetor, fuel tank, front suspension, distributor, master cylinder, and front tires, with no rust reported and an interior described as very clean. A freshly rebuilt 350 small block is included for replacement, and a clean title accompanies the car. Number 2. Vibrant and clearly customized, this 1984 Chevrolet Monte Carlo LS Coupe, 2-door, priced at $6,275 in Bluffdale, Utah, presents a rear-wheel drive layout powered by a 305 V8 with an automatic transmission. Finished in blue with a gray interior, it features a completed paint job with minor touch-ups remaining, working exterior lighting, and a Bluetooth audio setup. The car is described as running, driving, and stopping, with minor carburetor-related drivability issues noted and a new carburetor included. Very light surface rust underneath is mentioned, with no body rust reported, positioning this Monte Carlo as a personalized coupe suited for hands-on evaluation. Number 3. Calmly preserved in its late 60s form, this 1968 Plymouth Fury 3, priced at $5,000 in Moreno Valley, California, reflects traditional full-size design with an original 318 engine and an automatic transmission. Finished in blue, the car is described as running and driving, with a clean title and paperwork in place. Registration is noted as non-operational, with fees required to return it to active status and no smog requirement mentioned. Without claims of restoration or modification, this Fury 3 stands as a straightforward survivor defined by originality and continued usability. Number 4. Radiant and unmistakably late 70s in character, this 1978 Ford Thunderbird, priced at $5,500 in Palestine, Texas, wears a rare amber metallic finish and uses an automatic transmission with a 351 engine. It is described as running and driving well, with working air conditioning and heat, though the fuel gauge is noted as inconsistent at times. 20-inch Boyd Coddington wheels with new tires are fitted, with the original wheels and caps included. Purchased from an estate, the car is said to be drivable and will require a bonded title, defining it by color, comfort, and air-correct presence. Number 5. Compact and purposefully reworked, this 1964 Ford Falcon, priced at $7,500 in Cedar Park, Texas, carries understated lines backed by meaningful mechanical updates. It uses a manual 5-speed transmission paired with a 302 engine fitted with a 268 camshaft and is described as running and driving well in regular use. Finished in black inside and out, the presentation leans towards simplicity rather than ornamentation. With a paid-off status noted and no cosmetic restoration claims made, this Falcon reflects a personalized classic focused on drivability within a lightweight early 60s Ford platform. Number 6. Iconic and instantly recognizable, this 1965 Ford Mustang Coupe, 2-door, priced at $7,500 in Middleton, Wisconsin, reflects the clean simplicity of early Mustang design. It uses an automatic transmission and presents in blue with a matching blue interior, favoring originality over customization. The car is described as running and driving, with recent mechanical attention including a rebuilt carburetor, refreshed brake components, a new master cylinder, fuel pump, and updated ignition parts. With a paid-off status and clean title noted, this Mustang stands as a straightforward classic centered on usability and period-correct character. Number 7. Honest and square-shouldered in its late 70s form, this 1978 Chevrolet Silverado, priced at $7,500 in Centerville, Iowa, presents a traditional pickup profile finished in beige with a tan interior. It uses an automatic transmission paired with a V8 and is described as running, driving, and stopping as expected. The truck is noted as originating from Oklahoma and carries a clean title, with no major damage mentioned. without restoration claims or modifications highlighted. This Silverado stands as a straightforward example defined by use, condition, and classic full-size truck character. Number 8. Unfiltered and aggressively modified. This 1982 Ford Mustang 5.0, priced at $4,000 in Bedford, Indiana, represents a performance-focused departure from factory form. It uses a manual 4-speed transmission paired with a heavily built engine featuring aluminum heads, upgraded valve train components, and a high-lift camshaft, finished in black with a red interior. Recent updates include new seats, door panels, and carpet, with headliner and trim still pending. The car is described as running and driving well and is offered with a bill of sale rather than a title, clearly positioning it for experienced enthusiasts. Number 9. Preserved and refreshingly original. This 1964 Dodge Dart, priced at $7,500 in Riverside, California, reflects survivor-level character seldom retained. It uses an automatic push-button transmission paired with a slant 6.225 and is described as running, driving, and stopping well. Finished in off-white, it retains a strong, original interior and is noted as rust-free. Recent updates include aluminum slot mag wheels and new tires, with original equipment included. A clean, never-salvaged title with original black California plates accompanies the car, reinforcing its appeal as a well-kept classic cruiser. Number 10. Defining mid-60s muscle restraint. This 1965 Chevrolet Impala Supersport, priced at $7,500 in South Lake Tahoe, California, presents an authentic supersport configuration with classic presence. It uses an automatic power glide transmission paired with a 327 engine, along with manual brakes and manual steering. Finished in gray with a white interior, it retains bucket seats and a center console. The car is described as running and driving, shows visible rust with floors said to be solid, and is offered with a clean title, reflecting a straightforward classic suited for inspection by experienced enthusiasts. Number 11. Calmly original in its presentation. This 1965 Ford Mustang Coupe, 2-door, priced at $6,800 in San Diego, California, reflects early Mustang simplicity without heavy modification. It uses an automatic transmission paired with a 6-cylinder engine and is described as running and driving with solid mechanical manners. Finished in white with a brown interior, the car is noted for its clean, unaltered condition and rust-free structure. Brakes are said to function properly. The transmission shifts well, and a clear California title supports its status as a straightforward, intact classic. Number 12. Utility forward and unapologetically rugged. This 1983 Ford F-250 regular cab, priced at $4,500 in Sheridan, Oregon, presents a long bed, 4-wheel drive configuration built for work. It uses an automatic C6 transmission paired with a 460 engine and features manual locking front hubs. Finished in orange, it retains functional heat and defrost, while several dash gauges are noted as inoperative. The front fuel tank requires attention related to fuel delivery components. Described as a regularly used truck, this F-250 reflects honest condition and mechanical simplicity suited to practical ownership. Number 13. Balanced and quietly muscular in its early 80s form. This 1980 Chevrolet Malibu, priced at $8,000 in Spring, Texas, presents a clean, understated profile finished in gray with a black interior. It uses an automatic transmission paired with a 350 small block, retaining the original transmission. Mechanical attention includes refreshed hoses and wiring, new brakes, strong tires, and a limited slip rear. Air conditioning is noted as inoperative, while other systems are described as functioning well. With a clean, paid-off title and minor cosmetic wear, this Malibu reflects a maintained classic suited to regular use. Number 14. Distinctive and option-rich for its era. This 1962 Buick Skylark, priced at $7,500 in Thorndale, Texas, reflects early 60s compact luxury with uncommon factory features. It uses an automatic transmission and is equipped with factory air conditioning, a factory clock, a vinyl top, and a high-output engine configuration. Finished in blue with a matching blue interior, the car retains original rear seating, with a cover protecting the front seat. The engine is currently stuck with replacement planned, and a clear Texas title accompanies the car, emphasizing its originality and historical appeal. Number 15. Menacing and mechanically upgraded, this 1977 Pontiac Firebird, priced at $8,500 in Rancho Cucamonga, California, carries classic second-generation styling backed by substantive changes. It uses a 4-speed manual transmission paired with a 400 cubic inch engine, replacing the original 301, supported by a newer subframe installed during the swap. Finished in black with a gold interior, it features functioning power windows, refreshed rear drum brakes, and a new master cylinder. The engine is described as starting quickly and running well, complemented by a clean title and fair overall condition. Number 16. Bare bones and unapologetically raw. This 1972 Dodge Dart GT Sports Sedan, 4-door, priced at $1,000 in London, Kentucky, presents a stripped-down foundation for hands-on work. It uses an automatic transmission paired with a 225 slant 6 and is stated to run briefly when bottle-fed, with the engine sounding healthy. New brakes are noted, and the transmission is said to engage. The body shows heavy wear, the floors require repair, and the radiator is missing. Offered without a title, this Dart is positioned strictly as a mechanical and structural project.